Good morning, grade 4, and a warm welcome to the maths class. Well, children, today we are going to do uh, 2 digits by 2 digit multiplication, right? 2 digits by 2 digit. This is on your page 5757. So let's start with the first sum, children. 21 into 13. Now, children, 21 is your multiplicand, 13 is your multiplier, and we have to find the product, right? Now, first you multiply this side, children, the unit side. 3 ones is 3. Okay, 3 twos is 6. Right? Now, once we are finished with the units, we move to the tens place. 1 into 1. Children, before moving there, you need to put a 0 here. Okay, because now we are moving to the tens place. 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into 2 is 2. Now don't forget this addition sign over here, right? So what's your answer, children? 3 plus 0, that will be 3. 6 plus 1 is 7 and this is 2. So your answer is 273. Let's move to another sum. Let me take another pen. 17 into 39. Okay, children, how do I start? From the unit side. Okay, 7 nines are, yes, children, please tell me your 7 times table. 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. Yes, 7 nines are 63. So that's 3 and here 6. Okay, now 9 ones is 9. Add 6, children. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15, right? Now, children, what did I tell you? When we move to the tens place, now we have to multiply by the tens number, tens digit. What's in the tens place? We have 3. So before that, we put a 0 here, right? Now 3 into 7. Now before doing that, children, cancel this so that you are not confused. 7 into 3 is 21. So 1 and then you put 2 here. Okay. Now 3 ones is 3. You are multiplying 3 into 1. 3 ones is 3 and then you add 2. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 4, 5. So that is 5. Now, children, what do I do here? Yes, put the addition sign. Don't forget. So that's 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. And here 5 plus 1 is 6. So your answer is 663. Now, children, let's take something with 0. Okay? Let's take something with 0. Children, see this number. It's 82 and you're multiplying it by 80. Now, children, when you have this sum, what you do is you just box this 0. You just put a box around it. Okay? So you leave this place and you multiply it by this. So that will be what? 8 twos is what? You just put a 0 here. Because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Now you are multiplying it by 8. 8 twos is 16. So 6, carry a 1. 8 eights are 64 and plus 1 is 65. So your answer is 6560. Understood, children? See your children, it's 59 into 60, right? Now what did I tell you? Just box this. Okay? Now once you put a box there, what are you going to do there? Put 0. Okay? The property of when you multiply any number by 0, you get 0. So just put a 0 there. Now you multiply by this, children. 6 nines is how much? 54. 6 fives are Come on children, say your table. 6 5s is 30 and 30 plus 5 is 35. So your answer is 3540. Got it? Children, let's move now to page 5858. That's exercise 4949. Now children, here we are going to multiply 3 digit by a 2 digit number. So let's take the first one. Let's take 327 into 92. 327 is your multiplier and your multiplicand is what children? 9 to 92. Okay. So first we will start from the unit, that is 2 units into 7 units. So that is how much children? 2 into 7 is 14. So 4 year and 1 year, right? Now 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 3 2s is 6. Now children, when we move to the next number, that is 9, okay, in the tens place we have 9. That's your multiplier, right? This is 9. So here we need to put a 0 and cancel this 1 here. Right? Now 9 sevens is 63. So you put 6 here, carry 6 in the next place value. That's your tens place on 2, right? Now 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 6 is what children? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it is 4 and here 2. Now children, see here, put 2 here in the same line so that you are not confused. Right? Now 2 is here. Now 9 3s are, yes, 27 and then you add 2. So you get what? 29. So 2 here and 9 here. Children, the whole 29 we put here because we are done with the multiplication. There's no other place value here. So then you put the sign addition and now you add. 4 plus 0, that is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now 10, 0 here and 1 here. Don't forget. 9 plus 1 is 10 and then 1 here and then this is 3. Right? Let's move to another example children. Let's take it from the text now. Which one should we take? Let's take this. 346 into 28. So let me take another color pen. Okay. Sorry. So 346 into 28. Okay, come on children. 6 8s are 48. So 8 here and 4 here. Right? Now 8 into 4. 8 4s is 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. 6 here and 3 here. Right? Now 8 3s is 24. Don't forget to add this. 24 plus 3 is 27. Now children, what did I tell you? When we move to the next one, we need to add a, just put a 0 here. Insert a 0 here. Okay. Now children, cancel this so that you are not confused. Now we move to 2. Okay. 2 into 6. That is 2 6 is 12. Where would I put 1? Here. In the next place value, that is tens. 2 4s is 8 and add 1 is 9. And 3 2s is 6. Now what do I put here children? the addition sign, don't forget. So 8, you add 0, that is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Yes children, come on. 9 plus 7, 14, 15, 16. Correct? 6 and then you put here 1. Now 6 and 2 is 8 and then 9. So that's your answer, 9688. Right? So children, I think you can complete page 58.